this back here, there's a connector on here and it's got a red clip there. When that's pressed all the way down, it locks in position. When it's lifted all the way up, it'll just slip right in. So we make sure it's all the way up. Start with, right? There we go. Now it's in. So you clip it. Once you click it in there, you just press that red slide thing down. That locks it in position. And that's it for that. And what helps a lot is if you magnetize the end of your screwdriver, so when you put this on, it doesn't fall out or get lost inside your dashboard. More importantly, so let's see, flick of a wrist, there you go, that one's in nice and tight there. Then the next part you put in is this guy. That was a right claw one, I'll tell you. Let's see if it's a way that you can get in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Also, before you put that in, on here there are 3 connectors. Make sure that you put them back. Make sure you put them back. Gently tap this down. Once you get it back in position there you go. There you go. And there are some screws holding this in here. There's one there. There's a one here. And there's a one just round the corner here. So let's get them in. Unfortunately, most of these screws, well, I think all of them are exactly the same size, so you don't have to worry too much about getting the right ones in. And there's a one just round the corner here. And you have to use a stubby screwdriver for this one, I think. Where are you, Stubby? There he is. And you end up with this fella here, and this just goes on the edge here. I'll turn this round. Excuse me. Okay. This guy here just goes around the corner. It just clicks in, and there's a little screw hole in the bottom where you put a screw. So just put it in, click it in like that. There you go. And put your screw in, and then you're looking good. And then the next piece is this guy here, and that just clicks on. 2 screws there at the bottom. So there we go. There we go. In there, we put the screws in, and then the last piece is putting this guy on here. The handbrake and all that, and you can see, I'm going to take you out here real quick. So you can see there, you've got the handbrake, and we've got a little clip there that pushes it in, and at the bottom here, around the corner, there's a screw that holds it in. I think there's another screw. Then once she's all back together, make sure that you've always got a couple of screws left. Now we only have one. Hang on a minute. Now out here, the battery has, you disconnect the battery before you do anything, so the airbags won't go off on you while you manipulate this thing or maneuver around the circuit. So now that the dashboard's all put back together, I'm going to put the battery back on and we'll see if it starts. So before you start, you put the key in the ignition. There's these 2 buttons here. It's called trip and reset. Push them both in and then turn on the ignition without turning on the actual engine. Let them out and you can just watch it recycling. See that? You just watch it cycling through. Check 1. Turn the speedometer. There you go. doing a self analysis. There you go. See, look at the trip. It's going all the way cycling through. We're up to check 3. It says down there, check 3. And that looks like it's it. That's it. What was that? 15 seconds maybe? Okay, so now it's proof of the pudding. I'll turn that on. Up. Looks like everything's working there. Okay, door's ajar. Man, looks good. Okay. It's revving good. Lets you know the state the fuel gauge is working, and so is the hot cold gauge, because it should be at cold now. The lights on, lights swimming, we're working okay. Job done, job finished. Thanks for watching.